He said what? The following machines apply the lever principle except dash. A. Screw jack. B. Sugar tongs. C. Nutcracker. D. Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow is also, if you apply lever principle, which work at just like moment. Then also, we have nutcracker is also lever principle. Sugar tongue is also lever principle. Then screw jack is not lever principle. Now, please take note of this. Let me drop this one. There are three types of lever. Before I leave this question, we have the first class, second class, and third class. How do you remember them? To know the first class, you use flare. Flare is the shortcut to define each of them. A first class lever, first class lever is a lever in which the what? The load and what? Effort. That means the fulcrum is between the load and the effort. A first class lever is a lever in which what? The fulcrum is between the load and the effort, or effort and load. Now, how do you remember first class lever? How do you remember the examples of first class lever? Because in the exam, they can say which of the following is not a first class. You use what? This shortcut. Skimply clappings. Skimply clappings. Skimply clappings. It means what? Scissors. This one is scissors or seesaw and seesaw for that one. This one means what? Plier. Then this one means what? Crowbar. Then this one means claw hammer. Then pincer. So skimply clappings is the shortcut for what? For examples of what? First class lever. Second class is what? Second class lever is a lever in which the what? Look at this is first, second, and third. You see, I'm flare. You understand? This one now, the load is now between the fulcrum and the what? Effort, or effort and what? Fulcrum. Anyhow you want to define it. A second class lever is a lever in which the load is between the effort and fulcrum, or effort and fulcrum, or fulcrum and load, and effort rather. So the load is between the fulcrum and the effort. That is load between fulcrum and effort, first class. Then shortcut, take this shortcut and take it. For those of you that are writing this up, skimply clappings. This one is one. What does that mean? What does that one mean? One mean what? W is wheelbarrow. O means what? Opener. And N means what? Nutcracker. That is what. Then the third class lever. Third class what? Lever is what? This one. Now, effort is between what? Whether load and fulcrum, or fulcrum and what? And load. Anyhow you want to look at it now. Maybe you change it. But just know that the effort is between what? The fulcrum and the load, or the load and the fulcrum. So this one now, when fulcrum is between first class, load between second class, effort between third class. Example of first class: skimply clappings, seesaw and what? Scissors, plier, crowbar, claw hammer, pincer. Then second class lever is what? When load is between what? Effort and fulcrum. So that is to say that in that case now, you use one to win something. So that means the past tense of win is one. So that means you just use that one to remember yourself. Then the last one is example of that last one. You use scarf. one cast. So one cast. What does that K mean? You know, K means what? If you can remember CAF Champions League, this is an African Champions League. You can always remember this. So in this case, what is K? K means what? Knife, table knife. A means what? Arm of human arm. So then human arm. Then F mean fishing rod. Then S mean what? Sugar tongue. So sugar K is what? Knife. A, arm of human. F, fishing rod. And S, sugar tongue. So this can help you to remember both the example. This one will help you to remember the definition, while this one will help you to remember example of first class, second class. So skimply croaker pins, one cast. Skimply croaker pins, one cast. So the answer to this question, I'm just explaining, is screw jack. Screw jack is not part of the word of the lever principle. Don't forget, lever obey is the simplest machine. Lever is the simplest machine. So thank you.